So After Effects finally dropped an update that I've been waiting for such a long time, but barely anybody knows about it. No, I'm not talking about some AI tool that Adobe and every other software company is developing at the moment. I'm talking about a little hidden gem that we as After Effects users have been crying out since the dawn of time. Introducing the long-awaited Properties panel. Alright, I understand it's not that sexy, but you gotta understand, we've been waiting for this update for such a long time. This is a much welcome addition, particularly for those who use things like shape layers, where there are no shortcuts to get to any of the properties inside the shape layers themselves. In the past, if you created a shape layer and needed to get to the properties, you had to twirl down and twirl down and twirl down and twirl down until you finally got to the thing you were looking for. But now with the Properties panel, there is a convenient little window where you can just click on each of the shape layers you are using and go right to the parameter you need and change it to your heart's delight. But the Properties panel doesn't just benefit shape layers, but brings up parameters for other objects, such as solids and text. You can even add text animations for the panel too. Alright, so I do have one gripe, and I mean this with all due respect, Adobe.
Well, with all due respect.
I love this, but I need more. Yo, Nick, listen to this killer track my cousin just made.
You can't manage this, can't break this, boy, I'm funded. Gotta keep my distance when you not 100.
Sweet dude, that's sick. Awesome, I want you to make a lyric video of this track in under 1 hour. Do you reckon you handle that?
Not really. Lyric videos take ages to make.
Maybe I'm not making myself clear. You have 1 hour to make this lyric video or you're fired. All right, see you in 1 hour. Lyric Video Creator Kit 2? Make lyric videos fast? 60 animated presets, customizable effects and templates? All in one handy MOGRT? No After Effects skills necessary?
Well, let's hope this works.
Nick, how'd you go with the lyric video? Do I have to fire you?
I don't know. Why didn't you tell me?
You can't manage this, can't break this, boy, I'm funded. Gotta keep my distance when you not 100. From the same ones say they love you, late and funny.
So what do I mean when I say I want more? Right now, you can dive into most properties of the shape layer, but there are a few things that don't seem to appear in the Properties panel. For example, if you create a stroke layer and wanted to turn it into a dash, you can't access the dash properties from the panel. You still need to twirl down through the contents menu on the shape layer and get to the dash properties that way. Super annoying. Or if you add an animation operator like a repeater, which is by far the most powerful shape animation modifier in this list, you can't access it either. Even the humble trim path is missing from the panel. So while the property panel is pretty awesome, it's frustratingly limited, especially with the properties that I use so frequently. So Adobe, please put this into your next update and you will win the adoration and my unconditional love for all time.